Yo, what is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. So for all you OGs, you'll remember the time that I took my daughter to school. Well, picked her up from school. Now we're taking her to school, and she's a freshman in high school, which makes me feel really old. But anyways, she's been bugging me forever about it, so finally had the time to take her. Weather's been super chilly, so not the best riding weather, but yes, it's California weather, okay? We're not used to friggin' 10 degrees, 20 degrees below zero, all that crazy stuff. But it does get pretty chilly here. So yeah, decided to record it, run in some pretty new dope gear, which you guys will see too. This is all shot on Insta360, the X3 and the Ace Pro. So hopefully it turns out pretty good. It's my first time recording with the Ace Pro, so I'm sure it'll be fantastic. So anyways, yeah, we'll get there eventually. Friggin' slow cars can't go past 25 miles an hour. But hope you're all doing well. I don't know exactly when I'll be posting this video, so but I wanted to talk a little bit about the giveaway. I'm just waiting for the merchandise so that I can do some B-roll and photos and stuff like that, and then we'll be finally doing the giveaway, the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. So good luck to all of you. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and I just recently started doing Snapchat, so if you guys want to go check me out over there, SoCal MotoBros. Yeah, I'm kind of new to it. I stopped using Snapchat like, I don't know, 5 years ago. I don't know, whatever. No, almost 10 years ago. So yeah, it's a lot's changed with it, obviously. But yeah, hope you're all doing well, man. Feels good to start making content again. I've missed it. Do a little pull. Oh yeah, feels good. Probably scared the crap out of her. Good times. But yeah, man, things have been, you know, crazy. Sorry I haven't really been posting, man. It drives me nuts. I hate not posting. But honestly, I'm just trying to get my shit together. You know, it's a rough time of the year for me. I mean, a lot of you that have been here, you know my mom passed away exactly almost a year ago, and yeah, it's a really hard time. This is the first full year that you know, I've been without her. You know, I used to share everything with her, and she always really thought, you know, what I did was pretty cool. You know, she didn't fully understand it, obviously. You know, most people don't, but she was always a big supporter, and she was always really proud of me. And you know, it's hard not having her around. But anyways, I'm not trying to bring you guys down, but you know, cherish the people you love. That's all I can really say, you know, because they won't always be here, and it's the sad part of life. But any hoosers, we're making our way over there. I'm sure it's gonna be an absolute shit show, but we're on a motorcycle, so you know, what can you really complain about? Pops and bangs. Oh, it feels so good to ride. It's legit been like a month since I rode. Oh, still have my blinker on. A new moment. Hopefully I don't run out of gas. That would make for a real interesting video, huh? Hopefully my 360 is still there too. I forgot about that. Alright, let's get her set up and we'll be on our way. It's a lot of work. Used to just going, man. But hey, whatever makes the kids happy, right? Alright. See if I can get out of here without getting slapped by teen drivers. Oh god, I almost died. Okay. Good way to start the morning, huh? Anyways, hope all of you are doing freaking amazing, man. I miss you little buggers. And yeah, you know, hopefully we'll have some good content coming up for you guys that you guys will enjoy. And got some exciting stuff coming to the channel, so really excited for that too. You know, and if you guys have any suggestions, don't hesitate to let me know down below, man. I'm just a little motovlog boy, you know, out here trying to make it big, make my dreams come true. So I'm always open to suggestions, or you know, if you guys want to see certain things, you want to see me take my daughter to school and pick her up more often, do different things like that, maybe do some silly things, embarrass her, you know, let me know. I am down. Ooh, a nice little pop, because at the end of the day, you know, all this content's for you guys. So I want you guys to enjoy it, love it, like it, list it, subscribe it, share it. Yeah, all of that stuff. God, it's so foggy. I don't like it. I can't see. front of you. Don't know what your intentions are, cut. Oh, I should have took the other way. Damn it. Gonna get us some fuels. I don't really like using Arco, but that's where we're at. I usually get the shales, but this'll do. When in doubt, Arco it out. Oh fuck, I don't even have a wallet. Dumbass. A good thing for Apple Pay, I suppose, if the shit works. It never fucking works here. Alright, let's get some gas. Really hope this works. Just washed it, so no leaky. Fucking bitch. It's gonna be one of those days, I guess. This helmet makes me feel super off balanced. One on my backpack, not on my face. Cut these whole bags because I ain't trying to be behind nobody. You hold your horses, Beamer. That's why my visors ain't closed all the way. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Ooh, this is my wheelie spot. See if we could get us a nice nooner. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's gonna call it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, leave your suggestions down below. Whee! And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.